The Music Business course is perfect for those who want to work in the music industry as an executive. This course will teach you all about the world of agents, management, marketing, publishing, royalties, copyrights, 360 deals, and much, much more. But forget about learning from a textbook inside a crowded classroom on some meaningless college campus. Recording Connection will pair you with an industry pro who will teach you the ins and outs of the business. You'll train as an extern or an apprentice from inside a working record label or publisher in your area, where you can explore a variety of music business paths like A&R, publishing, managing, promoting sales, and so much more. And you can work with your mentor to customize your learning experience. The music business is an industry best learned in practice, not in a classroom. And this program is made for you to get the connections you need to kickstart your career.